So, as I was saying, I don't think a lot of people are aware that you can submit the model and it will, at model binding time, fill out the model state with errors. Um, Depending on how you designed the model that's being bound, that should just work out of the box. So we can look at this real quick. The user submitted vehicle, it has a similar shape as my iVehicle interface, but because it's a little restrictive, I actually removed the restrictions of that interface on this particular kind of payload type object, and that allows that submitted JSON to just flow into these. Whereas I believe if I had kept my interface on it, I would have had to remove these sets on these. What I do then is I have a special options provider that conforms to my my iVehicle options provider here. It's a special one that knows how to iterate through the submitted options and create my preferred strong types that I build vehicles with. So here in Validate, I'll build up the options according to the types that they ought to be, and then I can pass those options in to my standard build car methods. And then once I have this car inside my quotable vehicle property, I can go ahead and validate it, because all of my vehicle objects support IValidatable, and then we get the results back and we can return them. And so that validation is happening down here in vehicle base. So economy car, sports car, truck commercial, and truck pickup, they all inherit from vehicle base, and so they'll get the same validation capability. And I'm basically going through the drivetrain, the interior, and the exterior, all their available options, and if the options compatible kinds enum doesn't match the kind of car that we're dealing with, then I formulate a proper result and a proper error message, and then you can tell it what property bombed out here with this validation result. So I really like IValidatable, and I think it's a great pattern, and I've used it to a lot of success in a lot of my API projects.